Good day, everyone. I am Lovelyn M. Gallego. In this video presentation, I will show you what is curriculum. To further explain the topic, here are the contents of the succeeding slides. First, definitions of a curriculum according to the selected sources and authors, followed by the contents of the curriculum itself, and then who is involved. Lastly, we have the purpose of the curriculum. According to Hamed 2023, curriculum originally came from the Latin word race course, which means the work field of students in education or the courses offered by a certain school. Hamed added that the curriculum also referred to the students' experiences and activities, and in the Book of Young 2024, it is stated that curriculum defines as the basic framework of all educators use to teach their learners. The contents of the curriculum are based on the selected authors who defined it. Based on the Book of Mel 1956, the curriculum contains the subject matter, processes, approaches, and feelings. According to Tyler 1990, curriculum contains the learner, society, and subject matter. Lastly, based on John Dewey, 1989, from the Book of Latasha 2020, states that curriculum is all about the learner's experience. Who is involved in the curriculum? Curriculum development is a crucial process wherein the active participation of educators in designing, implementing, and evaluating the curriculum needs their expertise, knowledge, and skills, especially in pedagogy and teaching strategies. Next, we have learners as the primary stakeholders in the educational process, actively engage in the development of the curriculum, as their perspectives, needs, interests, and experiences play a vital role that ensuring the curriculum is relevant and engaging. Lastly, we have the members of the society, which includes the parents, community leaders, and other stakeholders, provide valuable input on the skills and knowledge that are essential for the success in the 21st century. With the help of these groups of people and by fostering a dialogue and collaboration among these diverse stakeholders, curriculum development can effectively address the evolving needs of learners and society as a whole. What's the purpose of the curriculum? According to Peter Oliva 2009 in the Book of Botton, it states that if the curriculum is perceived as a plan for the learning experiences that the young people encounter under the direction of the school, its purpose is to provide a vehicle for ordering and directing those experiences. That's all for this video presentation. For some information, you may visit these online references. And meet my artificial intelligent friends, Cici for the AI search, Killbot as my AI paraphraser, and Bypass as the AI detector. Hopefully, it helps you understand the meaning of curriculum. Thank you.